right, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the 2021 Leaf Flash Football four-box break. Got a couple uh, open teams that were not bid on: the Raiders, the Titans, and the Reds, and the Washington Football Team. And then the Dallas Cowboys were unpaid for. So I'm going to start at $41 at the Cowboys, which was the winning bid. We can If anyone wants the Cowboys for 41 and claim them now, you can claim them now in the chat. If anyone wants any of the other teams, $6 in the chat. Again, Cowboys 41 to start. If we don't get it for 41, we can certainly negotiate from there and throw some offers out. $6 on the Raiders, Titans, and Washington. If anyone wants those three, we'll do those three for. We'll do a 3 for 2. We'll do the Raiders, Titans, and Washington for $12. Raiders, Titans, Washington, $6 each or 12 for all three. Cowboys, we're starting at 41. If we don't get anyone at 41, we'll drop that down to 35. So anyone Cowboys 41. Currently sitting at 41 Cowboys. All right, Cowboys 35. Rest of the teams will stay. Cowboys 35. The other three, $6 each or 12 for all three. We won't go too long on this. We'll just eat the teams if nobody wants them. Raiders, Titans, Washington. $6 each or 3 for 12. Okay, Kevin is going to take the 3. I'm going to put my PayPal up on the screen, Kevin. I can't put it in the chat. They don't allow us to do that. If you could send over $12 to fairwaysportscards@gmail.com. Appreciate that. All right, Cowboys down to 30. Cowboys down to 30. The original winning bid on the Cowboys was 41. Cowboys down to 30. Anyone for the Cowboys at 30. All right, Cowboys 25. That's generally where they land on these breaks. 25, 30 bucks. So Cowboys at 25. All right. We're gonna go down to 20 on the Cowboys. $20 Cowboys. If nobody takes the Cowboys here at 20, we'll just keep them. Yeah, you got to go to PayPal, Kevin, unless you want Venmo. It's $12 for those three teams. All right, so Kevin's gonna take the Cowboys as well for 20. All right, so $32, Kevin, to Fairway Sports Cards at gmail.com. I'll put my Venmo up. Hold on a second. All right, Venmo on the screen there at Michael Stefanelli 8. $32, please. And we are full, and we're going to get into this break momentarily. Just let me know when you sent Venmo. You can bypass that. It says you could do it without it, but if you want the last four of the phone number, it's 7301. Got it. Thank you. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's get into it, guys. Thanks for patience, and thank you, Kevin, for filling those teams up. Appreciate it. Here we go. Box 1, Leaf Flash. Five autos a box. Here we go. First up, Khalil Herbert, 32 out of 35. Khalil Herbert is the Chicago Bears, 32 out of 35. Dwayne Eskridge, flash forward. Dwayne Eskridge is the Seahawks, not numbered. Tutu Atwell, flash brilliance. Tutu Atwell, not numbered as well. And he goes to the Rams. Jarrett Patterson, flash. 25 out of 75 for Jarrett Patterson, and that goes to Washington. Wow. We got a big one. Trevor Lawrence, flash photography, green, 24 out of 25, going out to the Jaguars. And Eric, congrats on the Trevor Lawrence. That's a nice one. Awesome. Good start to the break. Box 2. First up, Jamar Jefferson. Detroit Lions, 35 out of 75. Puka Williams Jr. Puka Williams Jr. I don't even know if I have him on my checklist here. I got the Puka. Oh, yeah, there he is. Bengals. Puka Williams Jr. for the Bengals, unnumbered. Jamie Newman, purple, flash. That's Eagles, 45 out of 50. Elijah Moore, unnumbered. I believe that's the Jets. Yep. And we got a redemption. Javion Hawkins. Redemption. Javion Hawkins is the Falcons. So nice one there for Hunter. All right, box 3. Brady White. Brady White, I believe, is going to be random to the draft. Yeah, doesn't have a checklist. So Brady White will go random to the draft. Or random to the break, I should say. We'll do that one after. Got another redemption in here. Kwity Paye, or Paye. I believe that's the Colts, right? Kwity Paye, Colts, yes. 28/35. Trevon Grimes. Eagles. 17/35. Your redemption, good night to have the Falcons. Javion Hawkins again. 2 redemptions for Javion Hawkins for the Falcons. My hometown team, Kadarius Toney and the Giants. Flash forward. Unnumbered. Nice one, John. Kadarius Toney. Yeah, Bill, I mean, that's the problem with these quarterbacks go to these terrible teams and, are on the line. But then again, the Giants haven't had an offensive line for 5 years. Drove Eli Manning into retirement, and Daniel Jones is having a hard time showing what he can be, I guess, because he just doesn't have the time. All right, 5 autos left. First up, Javon Holland. Dolphins, 19/25. Kellen Mond, that's Minnesota, 4/35. Zaven Collins. That is the Cardinals. 3/10. Lowest numbered one we've had so far. Zaven Collins. Brevin Jordan. Brevin Jordan is the Texans. 58/75. And last up, Going out to the New Orleans Saints, Ian Book. 24/25 for the Saints. All right, we'll do the recap, and then we'll do the random for the Brady White. Ian Book, Brevin Jordan, Zaven Collins, Kellen Mond, Javon Holland, Kadarius Toney, Javion Hawkins Redemption, Trevon Grimes, Kwity Paye, Javion Hawkins Redemption, Elijah Moore, Jamie Newman, Puka Williams, Jamar Jefferson, Jarrett Patterson, Tutu Atwell, Dwayne Eskridge, Khalil Herbert, and Trevor Lawrence. Great hit there. And we will do the random for the Brady White. Let's go to random.org for that. Going to do the list 12 times. All right, Corey down to Kevin, 12 times. Here we go. All right, here we go. 12th roll coming up now. Spot 1 will take the Brady White. And Eric Conine will take the Brady White. Congrats on the random there. And that's the break. Thanks, everyone. We have another Leaf, Flash, and Metal draft combination break tomorrow night. Same place, eBay. Go over to the eBay store. If you haven't done so, save me as a seller there. This way you know what we got coming up. We're going to be doing more Leaf Flash next week as well. And I got some more Leaf Metal draft in today as well too. So I'm going to be having some more of this going here in the coming weeks. So appreciate everyone joining tonight. We're going to be setting up for basketball now in the next 5 minutes, and we'll see you again soon.